If you guys talk enough crap in the comments to my team that you want a part 3, 400 comments, I'll do a part 3. I didn't buy this car with any credit. My name is not on this car. How does it make sense? So we're gonna teach you guys how to buy other cars subject to and put them in your fleet so you guys can start making money on Turo. Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about how to get a car subject to and make money with it. A lot of people in the comments in our Subto Car series were asking, how do you buy a car subject to? Well, we did that in video 1 and 2. Then they started asking, how do you make money from it? Why would you even buy this Kia? How does it make sense? Well, there's a couple of cool things going on here. Number one, this property right here, 6001 Unit 30. This property we bought with an executory contract. Go down in the description below, you'll see a link to that video of how we bought this property. And this property is going to serve as our Turo base station. It's gonna be cool. My infamous Prius right here and the Kia we bought subject to, this Kia today went on Turo. Here's what's funny. I've been asking my son for like 3 months, yo, get this on Turo, get this on Turo, get this on Turo. And today he got it on Turo, gets a booking within 3 minutes. The person's gonna come pick this car up for the first time. She is booking the car from Tuesday to oh my gosh, 6 days. That means Asher's gonna bring in like $600 or $700. Instead of having this thing sitting in my garage, we're gonna have it sit here. And I think he's gonna bring in like $600 or $700. It's gonna make for it's gonna cover the whole payment on the car just with one booking. Then the rest of the month is gonna be all gravy, baby. We're gonna give you guys a full breakdown of how much money this car has cost us so far. We bought it subject to, so it didn't really cost us anything, but we're still going to talk about insurance and all of those types of things. Whatever questions you have about buying a car subject to and then turning around and renting it out on Turo, make a comment down below, because what I'm going to do is over on Asher's channel, Asher is going to be giving weekly updates on both of these cars. If you guys are under 18 and you're trying to find a way to make money, I didn't buy this car with any credit. I didn't have to be 18 to buy it. My name is not on this car. I bought it subject to. So we're going to teach you guys how to buy other cars subject to and put them in your fleet so you guys can start making money on Turo. We might even end up getting 2 more cars in here since we've got the space, right? We'll see how it goes. If Asher does really well on these 2 cars, we might buy another one subject to. If he can make $1,000 a month per car, imagine being like 15 years old and making $4,000 or $5,000 a month. Are you freaking kidding me? That's like, you're the richest 15-year-old on the planet. We're gonna be giving you guys updates. Whatever questions you have, please make a comment down below. We're so excited to show you how you can make money buying cars with Creative Finance and then renting them out on Turo. We'll see you in the next update video.